What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be answering some questions from the comments. I get questions all the time like which is better, Platisol transfers or DTF transfers? So I'm going to answer that question real quick in this video. My opinion and answer to that is I personally don't think any transfer is better. Yes, there is better quality transfers out there. I prefer to use Platisol if I could use Platisol. But what I found in the last year or so doing t-shirts is that using DTF for my full color things is where I'm saving money at. I do like to go with full color, you know, Platisol. If I could keep it down to the colors, like I always tell a customer basically, okay, well, if you do 2 colors, it's going to be cheaper. I'll try to go the Platisol route because I do like Platisol better. That is one of my favorite transfers out of all of them is Platisol. So I have some here. These ones are Transfer Express. They're DTF, which they're not bad. I use them for an order actually. In earlier videos I have, if you guys go back in my videos, you'll see that all the different transfers I use. So these are the DTF from Transfer Express. Then Ninja Transfers, that's their DTF. Comes on these sheets of film. And then I have here, let me cover this up, from Flash Custom Transfers, gang sheet I got for a customer I did. They all come on these films, so you get more for your buck. And there is ways when you go with other companies like with, you know, Platisol and stuff, that you do get your price down with the more you order. That's pretty much with anywhere, but with DTF, you get the gang sheets, the big gang sheets from a lot of these places. Some of them are actually ordering now. You can get single transfers, which helps out a lot. So I'm not gonna say that you know, Platisol is better than DTF, because people out there are gonna say, you know, no, DTF's better, this, that. I do this for my own business, my own opinions on things. I use both. Like I said in other videos, you can get, I had these back in the day, but you can get the pre-made transfers. Let's see here. Like I got these flags when I was first starting out. They're pre-made transfers. These were from Pro World. These are Platisol transfers. And like I showed you guys in other videos, I have from TKO, also from Transfer Express I ordered. They're Platisol, one color. So it really depends on, in my opinion, what you're going for. What if someone's using one color, I always go to Platisol, even if we get away with 2 or 3 colors. But if I got someone who's asking for like full color designs, I'll go with DTF. I don't mind DTF. I'm just old school. I like the old school feel on a shirt. Platisol transfers, screen printed feel type, you know. So like I said, that's what I prefer to go to, is Platisol as much as I could, depending on where I get it from. And like I said in older videos, is I get my transfers from what's going to serve me the best. I like all, you know, all the different companies' qualities, but if I got someone who needs a shirt done quick, I'll either go with DTF, even if I have to go with a single color with DTF. If I can get it quicker than going through Transfer Express, which is in Ohio, Ninja Transfers are in Philly. If I got to get it overnight, I'm going to go with Ninja Transfers and do my one color if I have to. Or, you know, like I said, like there's times I go to vinyl, but between DTF and Platisol, I'm going to say I always like using Platisol better. That's my opinion. I think that to answer the questions in the comments, that if you want to get into this, do what everybody else does that got into this, is order sample packs from all these companies. From every company you want to try. DTF, Platisol transfers, any type of transfers you want to get, order them. Try out all their different transfer styles that they have. See which one you like better, because you might just want to do a whole company that's just on, or a business on, all you sell is Platisol. You're not going to go from that. You're not going to change from that. You like the feel of it. Majority of the time with my customers, I have samples. Like I have t-shirt samples. I got a whole rack of them on the side here, that if someone comes to me, they'll tell me what they want, tell me, so I'll go to, you know, the job, whatever, to sit down with them. Here's the different types of samples I have. Here's a Platisol, here's the DTF, whatever ones, you know, that I take there. I let them feel it, let them see what they think. I have to say, majority of time when I do this, people go with Platisol. People want the old school feel, and there's nothing wrong with that. DTF, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a new school. People aren't used to it. A lot of people even I go to with vinyl, in the beginning I was going to them with vinyl, and they don't like the feel of vinyl. You know, it gets the print on the shirt, but some people just don't like it. They like that old school Platisol feeling. So that's how I'm going to answer this question to the comments that I got for it, is get your sample packs, try what you like, and majority of the time if you're selling to people, they're the ones that are going to pick what they want their transfer in. They're going to pick what they want their print on their shirt in. So I would just have all of them at your disposal, basically, is what I would do. That's my opinion on it, to answer the questions. So that was just a quick video for you guys. If you would, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.